Next up in the tour is some more things to do with vecs, maybe strings too, but we'll see what we how far we get. So a vec, we saw in a previous example that there is a sort method. So if you have a vec of 7, 6, and 1 and 10, then it'll sort it. So that's pretty easy. Let's just take a quick look. My vec equals vec, and you have to make it mutable, of course. And we'll put in 100, 90, 80, and a bunch of zeros. And the bunch of zeros has a reason that we'll see in a second. So my vec dot sort, and if you look at, you can imagine that this is it's taking it mutably, and so it's not an iterator. It's just going to take care of it for us. All you have to do is use my vec.sort, and then we can print it out. And unsurprisingly, it's going to be in order now. And you can see 0, 0, 0. All the zeros are there. 89, 100. And so that is that's sort. But there's another very popular method. It's called sort unstable, and this you could also think of it as sort faster, but because it uses less system resources. Basically, what it does is it doesn't guarantee that these zeros are going to be in order. So if you do sort unstable, it's still going to give you the numbers in order, but it's not going to guarantee that this 0 is this first 0, and that this 0 is this 0, and that this 0 is this 0. So sort unstable assumes that you don't care about the index of things that are the same, and so that's why it's a little bit faster. And where is it? Sort unstable. So if you go here, you can see. So it may reorder equal elements. That's what we talked about there. In place, it doesn't allocate, so that's why it's pretty fast. And it says it's typically faster, except for this case when the slice consists of several concatenated sorted sequences. So as long as you're not doing that, it's probably going to be faster. So that is sort, and sort and sort unstable are useful for this next one called dedup, which means deduplicate, which means remove duplicates. And this one is going to it's going to remove duplicates from items that are next to each other. So if you have like a actually, I'll just bring in my example here. Let's see. I'm going to paste it in because it's a lot of text. So there you go. So we have this vec here, and you can see it's got sun, sun, moon, moon, sun, moon, moon. And so if we call my vec.dedup on that, it's going to remove the duplicates, but it'll only remove, so it'll look at these two. Okay, these are duplicates, so we'll remove one here. Same here. Here, it's not going to, because next to sun is moon and next to sun is moon, and those are not the same. And then here it's going to remove just one of them. So the result is this, my vec. My vec dot dedup. Huh? Oh, right. Comment this out. And print it out. There you go. So sun, and moon. So one there, one there, one there, and one from there. So the way to take them all out is to sort them first, because then you'll have like all the suns together and all the moons together, and that's what this dedup does. It keeps on going until it sees something that's different. So if you do, let's do sort unstable, because that's fun. So you just do this sort unstable dot dedup. Let's see. I guess we need to. I guess you can't chain them. So That's right, it's not an iterator. So there we go. myvec.sortUnstable, and then we'll do dedup, and then you can see dedupe that it just returns moon and sun. So that is how you do that. So that was the 2 or 3 methods for vecs. Coming up next is going to be string, which is very much like a vec, as we saw a few videos ago. It actually is a vec. If you look inside, if you look at the declaration, so you can see it's a vec of U8s, and U8s are used to show bytes, and so you can see we'll look at these. We'll actually use these in the next video, but you can see capacity, that's familiar. You see that in vecs. There's insert, of course. That's a very vec-y looking thing. Push, pushing a character on and then popping. That looks really similar. And also this with capacity. That's the exact same as the vec methods we've seen. So we'll do that in the next video.